Recently, Zerodha founder Mr. Nitin Kamath has tweeted that buying a health insurance plan for the family is the most important financial investment you can make, given the cost of serious health incidents. He further said that even before you do anything else in your personal finance journey, get health covered to the extent you can afford. Personally, I also feel that health insurance is the first thing that you should take when you start your financial journey. While there is already a lot of awareness about health insurance, still, every year millions of people in India fall below poverty line due to lack of health insurance. In fact, Nitin Kamath quantified the data in his tweet where he said that around 8 to 9% of all Indian households were pushed below the poverty line due to healthcare costs. Hey everyone, my name is Sahil and this is my Personal Finance Academy. I'm sure many of you watching this video would have already taken a health insurance. But today, I want to address one major problem with health insurance. Normally, we opt for a health plan in the range of 5 to 10 lakh rupee as it is generally considered sufficient to cater to, let's say, accidents or minor surgeries or few days of hospitalization. But what about serious health problems like cancer or heart problem? In fact, I recently experienced it firsthand in my close family circle. One of my father's close friend got diagnosed with mouth cancer. Do you know what was the cost of his treatment? It costed them 25 lakh rupee and his treatment is still ongoing. Now generally it is very common to opt for a coverage of 1 crore rupee for a term plan, but today I want to discuss about the health coverage up to 1 crore rupees. I'm sure the moment you think of a health coverage of 1 crore, your first reaction would be crazy premium. But today there are ways to opt for 1 crore of health coverage at very nominal annual premium that won't make a big hole in your pocket. So in this video, I'll discuss more about who would need a health coverage of 1 crore rupees and how you can get this health coverage at nominal annual premium. At the end of this video, I've shared 5 bonus tips before you purchase a health plan. So watch this video till the end. Alright, let's get started. To begin with, the first question that you might ask, is there really a need for a health coverage up to 1 crore rupees? So as per report, healthcare inflation in India is rising from 4% in 2019 to 15% in 2022. In other words, your healthcare cost could double in 5 years. So what cost you 5 lakh today might cost you 10 lakh in next 5 years, and this amount would significantly increase in the coming years. Hence, when we take a health plan, we have to keep in mind the future cost of treatment. Now this 1 crore health plan is useful in mainly 3 cases. First, if your family has a history of critical illness like cancer, heart issue and so on. In that case, it's better to be proactive and take a high health coverage to avoid any healthcare cost by breaking your lifelong savings. Then second, when you have a stressful work life with targets and deadlines. Because of increasing work pressure in corporate environment, many people today are catching up health issues at a very early age. And third, if you have a very unhealthy lifestyle, because today the major cost of healthcare treatment is due to problem arising from our unhealthy lifestyle. Now I'm sure you are the best judge of your lifestyle and accordingly decide if you need a high health coverage or not. Today there are already many health plans that are catering to higher health coverage. Let me show you one of the example. For instance, if you visit over a Ditto platform, then hover over health insurance and then click on understand your policy, you will get an option to select the health insurer and its policy. So let's say you select HDFC Ergo and Optima Restore and click on check now. It will show you the health plan details. It says Optima Restore is one of the most popular products within Apollo Munich stable, now HDFC Ergo. It covers most bases, it's economical, it does not have any unsavory condition. You can also read about what are the good features of this plan, like your sum assured increases by 50% each year as long as you make no claims during this period up to 100%. There are no co-payment clause, then you always have full cover irrespective of the disease, then there is full coverage even if you are forced to hospitalized at home. You can also read about what is okay and what is lagging. By the way, Ditto is a great platform to not just explore health plans but also understand about each policy in layman's language. Because the biggest challenge in health insurance sector is terms and conditions written in small letters in a very lengthy document. So Ditto platform helps you break down those details and understand the pros and cons of the health plan. In fact, you can even set up a free 30-minute consultation call with their expert that can properly guide you with the right health plan. The best part is they don't spam you with SMS and calls. In fact, Ditto has been also backed by Zerodha founder Mr. Nitin Kamath. It is also ranked third in the LinkedIn Top 20 India Startup of 2023. Now the most important question is how to opt for a health coverage of as high as 1 crore with nominal premium. So there are two options. First is full base cover of 1 crore rupees. And second option is a combo pack with a fixed sum assured along with a super top up plan. Full base cover of 1 crore rupees is straightforward, where your health plan covers cost up to 1 crore rupees. Although it can be a bit costly in terms of annual premium. So you have option 2, where you opt for a health plan with fixed sum assured of say 10 lakh rupee and then opt for a super top up of let's say up to 90 lakh rupee. This super top up option can give you a high health coverage at nominal annual premium. Although there is a catch with super top up plan. Super top up plan will only cover your treatment cost when your base cover is exhausted. For instance, let's say you have opted for a health plan with base sum assured of 10 lakh rupee and a super top up of 40 lakh rupee. Now if your healthcare expense is 25 lakh, then the initial 10 lakh would be consumed from the base sum assured and the remaining 15 lakh would be used from the super top up plan. Please note that you can purchase this super top up health plan on top of your existing health plan. There are many super top up plan available. So if you are looking for a new health insurance, you can set up a call with Ditto team that can properly guide you with both options of full base cover of 1 crore rupees versus your combo plan of fixed sum assured along with a super top up plan. Or if you already have a health plan, then you can opt for a super top up plan. Please note that the super top up plan can also be opted under family floater plan. If you are confused between multiple health plans, you can also do a comparative analysis on Ditto platform where you can select multiple health plans and get all the comparative details like hospital network, claim settlement ratio, co-payment clause and many other data points. I personally find this feature super useful. Now it's time for the bonus tips. So first bonus tip is before you opt for a health plan, always check for claim settlement ratio. A claim settlement ratio of let's say 98% means that out of 100 claim, company has settled 98 claims. Needless to say, higher this claim settlement ratio, better it is. Then second bonus tip is when you opt for the health plan, always ensure there is no co-payment clause. For example, if a health plan has a co-payment clause of 20%, then it means you have to pay 20% of the medical bill from your own pocket. So if you end up with a medical expense of say 2 lakh rupee, you will end up paying 40,000 rupees from your own pocket. Hence, avoid co-payment clause. Then third, fill the insurance form properly and don't hide your health problem. So the first thing you need to do while taking a health plan is to fill a form where you have to declare various details including your past health record. The biggest mistake people make is they don't take that form seriously and ignore to fill the important details. Sometimes people simply hide their past health issues to get a health plan at lower premium. Or worse, they simply sign the form and let the agent fill the details. This is the biggest reason for health claim rejection. Please make sure that you take the form seriously and fill out all important detail. And please do not hide any health issue because eventually during the claim, health insurer will figure out your past health record and your claim would get rejected. Then fourth tip is if you have elderly parents in your family, take a separate health plan for them. Simply because your health insurance premium is decided based on the age of eldest member in the family. And if you include your elderly parents, then your health insurance premium will shoot up a lot. So if you have wife, kids and elderly parent, it's better to take two health plans. One family floater for yourself, wife and kids and another family floater for your parents. And final bonus tip is if you have health insurance from your employer, it is better to take a separate health plan. Because the moment you quit your job, you lose your health insurance policy. And if anything happens before you get the health coverage from another employer, you'll have to bear the cost from your own pocket. Plus your new health policy will start from scratch with a waiting period for certain disease. So it's always better not to depend upon the employer health plan and better to opt for a separate health plan. I hope this video will give you a good clarity on how to opt for higher health insurance coverage up to rupees 1 crore. As discussed, you have two options. First is either opt for a full base cover of 1 crore rupees or second option is a combo plan of fixed sum assured along with super top up. Since every one of you would have a different requirement, it's better to take help from Ditto expert with a free 30-minute call. Trust me, many people have benefited from Ditto advisory, including my close friends. I provided the link in the description. You can even go through their important checklist before investing your money to ensure that you cover all important parameters before shortlisting a health plan for your family. If you find this video useful, do share it with your friends. I'll see you next video. Till then, take care.